let L be the line whose equation is y equal to ax plus b, and K is another line whose equation is cx plus d. It is given that L and K are distinct parallel lines. Which of the following must be true? Inspecting the answers, we see that this question requires us to find some relationship between the slopes and the intercepts of the two lines. So let us first recall that for any given line ax plus b, the coefficient of xa represents the slope of the line and b represents the y-intercept. A y-intercept is a point on the y-axis where x is 0, because we can see that when we substitute for x equal to 0, we get y equal to b. So this is a point on the y-axis. Now, in order to understand the relationship between and analyze the information, let us try to draw the two lines on a coordinate system. So if we have this as x and y axis, let us draw the line L which represents y equal to ax plus b. The point on the y-axis, this is the y-intercept, because when we substitute for x equal to 0, we get y equal to b. Now let us draw another line K. This is given as y equal to cx plus d. We can label the y-intercept here as 0, d. So one thing that is pretty obvious is that when the two lines are parallel, the slopes A and C will be given because L and K are parallel. Now, to understand what distinct means, let us try to draw the line K on top of the line L, as if the line L and K are the same lines. So if we let the yellow line represent K, so what happens is the intercept of K will become equal to L. But in the question, we are given that the intercepts are distinct. That means they are different. So here the intercepts are B and D. So in order for them to be distinct, they have to be unequal or different values, not the same. So in this case, the yellow line would not be a distinct line. Therefore, K will have a different intercept D, and B and D will be different values. So we see that we actually come across these two conditions. A is equal to C when because of parallel, B and D not equal because of distinct. So let us check the answers and see what we have. Option A is not correct because the lines are parallel, but the condition B equal to D means they are exactly the same line. Now option B is correct because the slopes are equal and intercepts are distinct. C and D are not correct because the slopes are not even equal, which means they are not even parallel. So that's what we find. The option B is the correct answer. One additional thing to point out is sometimes this same type of questions are given in a different way where you are asked to find no solutions. That means when L and K would be never intersecting, therefore there will not have any point of intersection. So there could be a problem sometimes where you may have to find the conditions or the constants that will make no solutions for a certain pair of lines.